Welcome everybody to my Bajerski YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about Blend of the Healer, my new beautiful oil. And today I'd like to discuss some of the issues that are predominantly within the body system that causes a lot of issues for many people. Now, we discussed earlier on how to use this oil in general, which is a fantastic video. And I believe if you use it this way, you'll find that it'll keep your body energy, the frequency and illness at bay. Now we're talking about things that happen to us by accident, these things that we just trip over something and we end up with a sprain, or we could end up with a broken leg, a broken foot. So whenever you're in that kind of situation and you're at home and you wonder, it's all strapped up and you wonder what to do with it. For me, I started straight away, and that I think is the best thing. Start straight away with whatever the healing process should be, whatever oils you use. If you're using my oil, my suggestion is every hour. So 3 drops, you take 3 drops, rub it in your hand and apply it to where the issue is or as close to it as possible. If there is any open wounds, do not rub it on open wounds. You don't need to. You just rub around the open wounds. And if it's a break and you've had stitches to the left-hand side, then you rub to the right-hand side, because it will penetrate. This is the whole point of the oil. It penetrates all the way through. So if you rub it to the other side, it's just as effective because it's going to heal from that side right the way to the end. Now, the same thing can be applied to anything to do with stomach. You can apply to the back and it will penetrate through that way. Vice versa. If you've got an issue at the back, rub it at the front and it will penetrate through to the back. So just bear that in mind as well. So my suggestion is, and this is what I do, I would always do the breathing technique after you've applied. So 3 drops, rub to the place where is closest to the break or the sprain every hour. And you don't need to breathe in every hour, but if you do, you'll find the healing process is much quicker. So it will be faster anyway as soon as you've rubbed it on, but breathing it in will heal the rest of the body. It will strengthen and boost the immune system. So I always like to put some here, because whatever we're going through, if it's a trauma with a break or a sprain, for me, clearing the mind is ultimately the most powerful thing, because if we're in a bad place, we're thinking bad thoughts, the healing process doesn't happen as quick. When you keep saying my foot is beautiful, it's healing, it's going to heal very fast, you're sending a message to your body to heal that foot fast. So I know it sounds like, oh, it's like all bullshit what you're saying. It isn't. The more you tell yourself that you have a strong, healthy body, is the quicker your body will react to that. So when you're rubbing it on, you can just think positive thoughts about how healthy you are. How I do it is pretty simple. As I'm rubbing it on, breathing in, I see my body becoming not exactly a light, but seeing it clear of any darkness. So I just see the body temple becoming lighter and I push the dark out. And literally you can feel it coming out of you. And when you breathe in through your nose, you can see it and feel it running all over your body, right down to your tips of your toes. And then when you breathe, exhale out of your mouth, you see all that darkness come out of your mouth as well. These are the things that I focus on. And it really helps. There's something very powerful about your thoughts. So keep your thoughts high energy, high level. I am healing, I am well, I am healthy. That's all you say all the time. You're telling and reminding your body that you want to be fit and strong as soon as possible, and you keep saying it. And every hour is a mantra. So when you rub it on, It's a mantra because what I've just shared with you is what you should say through it. And that speeds the process up. You will be so surprised how many people within hospitals that are in there who are down, miserable, don't heal. Those who say, I'm out of here as quick as I can because I'm healing, are out as quick as they can. There is something in the power of your thought, and that thought is basically self-healing. Believe in your own healing. This oil is beautiful. It's a help, and it will help you realize that, oh, actually I'm healing quickly. And whether you believe in the oil because it works, that belief is coupled with the actual oil, and together you produce such healing that it's hard to explain. So for breaks, this is my humble opinion, every hour if you can. Every hour, keep applying it. Now you're going to miss it every now and again, but just apply it. Oh, I forgot. It's okay. Just apply it. For me, what I did these past 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 weeks, I had my phone and I just kept pressing countdown 1 hour. And it works so well for me, but you might not have that. But it's okay. Just try and think every hour. Don't get freaking out if oh, I haven't done it this hour. Don't worry. It's fine. It's all as it should be. But if you can do it every hour, it's like a ritual, and you're reminding yourself as you're rubbing it there that I am healing. And I am focused on my healing, and I'm putting this lovely oil on, and it's working, and I'm going to get stronger. And you will fix, and you will heal, and your body will fix itself much quicker. With the right oils, you heal so much faster. So that's for breaks, that's for sprains, and any kind of joint issues, any kind of rheumatoid arthritis, anything like that, every hour, and do the same ritual for where the pain is. And if you ever get a slight feeling of, I think I'd like to put this oil on somewhere else, follow that, because what happens is once your consciousness starts to become stronger, it will tell you where else you can put it. And sometimes, surprise, surprise, where the other place where you put it actually produces more healing than applying it to exactly where you think the pain is. As a healer, we understand this. So the root cause sometimes isn't where the issue is. So that's just a food for thought. So any kind of joint pains, arthritis, every hour, and keep putting it on every hour until you start to say, you know what? Actually, it's getting loads better. I can't believe it. I'm actually being able to move, and actually my neck, the neck, that the injury that I had on my neck, the whiplash, now I'm rubbing it on my neck every hour, and like, I don't know what's going on here, but it's getting better. I got a message from my accountant, Daniel, and he said to me, Mark, I put the oil on, and it was on his neck, and he said, I don't know whether it's the oil, whether it's the love and the kindness of what you've done. He says, but my neck is getting better. And it's like lovely to hear. So, issues with heaviness on your shoulder, right? Issues with heaviness in your head, just start to use it where you feel you need it every hour until it's gone. Don't think to yourself, oh, it didn't work. Just keep doing it. Keep hourly putting it on. 3 drops, no more. Breathe in 7 seconds, hold for 7 seconds. Breathe out through the mouth for 7 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, and repeat. Do it at least 20 times after you've done the application, and then you will get the full benefit of this oil. It will clean the body temple, and it will now start to penetrate and fix and heal, reduce inflammation, reduce any pain. So pain relief will start. It's like, wow, this is feeling better. I'm feeling better. It works, guys. So yeah, have a great day and enjoy Blend of the Healer. A lot of love and a lot of energy and a lot of effort's been put into this. I hope you appreciate it. Take care.